Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2019 Toyota Sienna SC technology. Now the most notable features on this technology is its DVD player. You have your heated front seats as well as your blind spot monitoring. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2019 Toyota Sienna SC technology. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this SC technology is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps. And then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you have your 19-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now you also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. And taking a look on the inside of the mirror, you're going to see your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up just looking at there is another vehicle right beside you. And I'm just going to show you what the second row actually looks like really quickly here. So as you can see, you have the second row captain seats, but you can also have an additional third seat in the middle here, and I'll actually show you where it's actually stored later on in the video. Sunshade visors located in the third and second row windows, and then up top you're going to see your DVD player just to entertain the kids on those long trips. Close button's just located on the inside here. Now, parents, if you're worried about yourself or if your kids getting your hand or arm jammed to the door, you don't have to worry about that. It has the jam protection feature. So in the event that the door does senses there's an obstruction in the way, it'll open itself back up automatically. And then just pull on the handle on the outside once and it will close for you automatically. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is white. Now, taking a closer look at the front dash as well as the front seats, as you can see, you have your black leather interior with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Over on your left-hand side, you're going to see your traction control on and off. And then on the inside of the driver's side door, you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume controls, seek function mode select, voice recognition, Bluetooth, and then you also have your scroll function for your multi-informational display with your lane departure alert and cruise control. Now you do have a push button start, so all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now, taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So scrolling through, you have a digital speedometer with a distance to empty. You can also go through and take a look at your compass, audio, lane departure alert, messages, and your settings menu with your lane departure alert, ECT power, blind spot monitoring on and off, rear cross traffic alert, your pre-collision system, and a couple of other additional features. And it offers you an exterior temperature gauge on here as well. Taking a closer look now at the center dash as well as the touch panel display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So if you go inside the menu screen, you have your destination audio phone as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, with the apps menu, it's part of the Intune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Slacker app, which allows you to stream your music from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. It has a premium JBL sound system with the Sirius XM satellite radio. Temperature control settings located down below with your hazard lights, matted to an automatic transmission. And underneath that, you'll find your heated seat controls for your driver and passenger, USB, and your auxiliary input with your power outlet, and an additional one just located down below. Now, taking a look at the top here, you're going to see your auto-dimming rearview mirror with integrated garage door opener, and a couple of the controls you'll find include the open and close for the power sliding rear doors and power lift gate, and your SOS Safety Connect. So in the event that you're in a collision and unable to respond, emergency services will be sent out to you right away, just to make sure you're okay. Taking a look at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate, now located on just your your left-hand side. You're going to see your backup camera and your rear hatch release located in the center. Now, closing in on the rear cargo space, as you can see, you have a 60-40 split for your third row, so in the event that you do need the additional space, it's available to you. And as you can see with that second row seat, it's actually stored on the side there, so if you are using it just in the second row there, you can actually use that as additional cargo space. And as you can see, just with that seat actually folded down, you still have plenty of cargo room on that side, and if you want vice versa, if you need two passengers in the back, you still have plenty of cargo space as well. Now up top here, you're going to see that rear cargo power outlet, so if you're ever out of the cabin or the lake for the weekend and your kids need to plug in their devices, they can do so. And if you take a look at the top here, you're going to see your close button for the power liftgate. So all you have to do is push on the once and it will open or close for you automatically. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.